बेवफा सनम तारीफ. Alright guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So we just left from Pattaya and we reached Bangkok International Airport again. Again, there was not much to show because you have seen already when we were traveling from Bangkok to Pattaya. Now we are on our way to Phuket. So we're just gonna reach there. We did our check-in, we cleared our security. Now we're just going towards our gate as well. We're just gonna have something to eat first before we board the flight, most probably. So yeah, let's get started. But I think Pattaya 2 days was just a perfect itinerary and we got the most out of it. We did visited all the different places like Century of Truth, even the night market for shopping and everything. So yeah, it's a good place, and I believe ideally around 2 days of should be more than enough. So yeah, let's now board the flight and we can go over there. Also, just as a heads up, there are different ways you can go to Phuket from Bangkok. You can take a train, you can take a bus, and you can even also take a flight. Now of course flight is a bit expensive compared to bus and train, but yes, at the same time it also saves you a lot of time. So we'll probably reach in 1.5 hours approximately, and yeah, that should be more or less. And there are also many cheaper airlines available. Like there's a couple of flights going from Bangkok airport and the other one from, there's another domestic airport. You can even take that one, which is like 32 kilometers away from Bangkok. But yeah, depends on your choice, depends on your convenience at the end of the day. So we just reached over here and we're gonna get started. So we just reached to Phuket and now we are heading to our hotel. It's around 1.5 hours away, which is unexpected, but hopefully it's in a good location, so we will manage to spend some good time in Phuket. So yeah, but the view is amazing, very similar to what we saw before in Pattaya.
Tahu kabel itu na?
Ano? Chal. Alright guys, so we just reached hotel and we'll be going, we'll be staying in Vindam, just in Patong. So there are a couple of different areas which you can select, but Patong is the central location always, and staying in city center is the best approach. So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna stay there and spend next few days over here. Okay, so we just left our hotel and now we're heading to Big Buddha. It's around 22 kilometers, around 45 minutes drive. So we are just heading there. And it's around 6, it closes at 6:30. We are on time. We'll reach around 5 or still, so we still have good 1.5 hours to explore more. So let's get started and then we'll see where the day goes from there. Okay guys, so we just reached Big Buddha location and now we're just gonna head there. It's free entry. You can usually take Bolt, that's what we are using as well. And it's free entry, but just make sure you are wearing fully covered clothes because it's their the religious place, so we need to be respectful as well at the same time. And that's how the entrance looks like.
It's nice to one too.
The view from here, guys, is just amazing. You can completely see the whole Phuket from here. So we're just gonna go near the viewing point from here. And that's how it looks. And now we're just gonna see the big Buddha. So that's how it looks like from here. Just amazing. It's super peaceful here. And then we're just gonna up and we're gonna check the whole surrounding there.
Единственные, которые вообще выведены. Очень интересно было.